In this video, I will show you how to download Netflix movies on your phone. To get started, go ahead and open Netflix on your device. Click on the movies filter, and that will allow you to view all of the available movies on your area on your Netflix account. So in here, go ahead and select the movie that you want to download into your device. This will allow you to watch your favorite Netflix movie anywhere you go, even without an internet connection. So click on that download button below the play button, and the download process will start for that movie to your account. As you head over into your account and head over into the downloads tab, you'll be able to find that movie under that. And after you have downloaded this movie into your account, you'll be able to watch it on your device anytime you want, even without an internet connection and anywhere you go. And that is basically how you can download Netflix movies on your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.